Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with an update to the day 1 outlook. Everything has pretty much remained the same for the most part since I did my video early this morning, except now there are two areas where we have a slight risk for severe weather today. One slight risk encompasses parts of eastern New Mexico and west central Texas. And we have another small slight area that encompasses a tiny bit of north central Texas and south central Oklahoma. Cities in today's slate include Midland, Texas, Roswell, New Mexico, Clovis, New Mexico, Hobbs, New Mexico, and Ardmore, Oklahoma. The marginals, however, remain the same, so the marginals remain the same for the most part. Going to the wind threat for today, there are two areas where we have the tornado threat. I'm going to the tornado threat now, We now have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of eastern New Mexico. So, the 5% tornado risk area today covers Roswell, New Mexico, Hobbs, New Mexico, Portales, New Mexico, Artesia, New Mexico, however the hell you pronounce it, and Lovington, New Mexico. And it seems like they split the 2%. They split the 2% tornado risk area, but largely the 2% tornado risk has not changed. So, going to the wind threat for today, there are two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of southeastern New Mexico and west central Texas. And we have another area where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of south central Oklahoma and extreme north central Texas. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas today include Midland, Texas, Clovis, New Mexico, Hobbs, New Mexico, Ardmore, Oklahoma, and Denison, Texas. And the 5% wind risk areas today remain the same. And going to the hail threat for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of east central New Mexico and west central Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk areas today include Midland, Texas, Roswell, New Mexico, Clovis, New Mexico, Hobbs, New Mexico, and Portales, New Mexico. And there is also a black dashed area that encompasses the entirety of the 15% hail risk area. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And that pretty much, is in the same cities, which are Midland, Texas, Roswell, New Mexico, Clovis, New Mexico, Hobbs, New Mexico, and Portales, New Mexico. So, again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And the 5% hail risk area remains the same. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible over eastern New Mexico into parts of West Texas this afternoon through the evening. A threat for very large hail and possibly a couple of tornadoes are the primary risks. Scattered damaging gusts are possible this afternoon for parts of the Red River Valley. So, that's the update I wanted to give. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even the marginals, and my day 2 outlook will come out very soon. Take care.